Hello there, this is Madhumita. Welcome back to my channel. I again came with a cut crease eye look, but this time it's a little bit different. And on today's video, I'll show you how to get this cut crease. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. So for eyeshadow, first I'm taking these two colors, Denim and Pebble from Morphe 35B eyeshadow palette and applying on crease area. And slowly building the color. Now taking a clean blending brush, I'm blending all the edges. Then taking Grape Pop, I'm applying on the edges. And blending it nicely. Then again taking clean blending brush, I'm blending its edges. Now using Maybelline New York Fit Me Concealer Light, I'm cutting my crease. Then using a wet wipe, I'm cleaning my eyelid. Then taking same concealer, I'm applying on my eyelid. Then blending it using a beauty blender. And then setting it using powder. After that, I'm taking the color Bikini and applying just on the center. Now using a liner brush, I'm drawing an outline as a guideline of eyeshadow. Then applying eyeshadow. Then taking purplish, I'm applying on the both sides of Bikini. Then taking Denim, I'm applying on the both sides. Using a clean flat brush, I'm blending the edges of two colors. Then taking Lemonade, I'm applying just on the Bikini. Then using concealer, I'm cleaning the gaps between two lines. Now I am priming my face using Inside Cosmetics 3-in-1 primer and applying all over my face. Now for foundation, I am taking Pack Edge Liquid Foundation in shade 1. Then using a damp beauty blender, I am blending this all. Now for concealer, I am using Maybelline New York Fit Me Concealer Medium and applying under my eyes, bridge of my nose, on forehead, on chin, around lips and around nose. Then again blending this all. Now I am setting this all using Pack Translucent Powder 01. Now to contour my face, I am using Invites Professional Makeup Matte Body Bronzer Deep Tan and applying on my cheekbone, on hairline, on jawline and on nose. Now I am taking this color Smoothie from the palette and applying on my cheeks, and on nose. Then again I am taking Denim and applying on my lower lash line. Then blending the edges using Grape Pop. Now I am tightlining my waterline using L'Oreal Paris Super Liner Super Stud Duo Designer Black. Then I am highlighting my inner corner using this color from Revolution Pro 4K Highlighter Palette Gold. Now I am highlighting my face using the same color and applying on cheeks, on chin, on nose tip, bridge of my nose, and on forehead. Then I am applying Maybelline New York Volume Express Hyper Curl Mascara on my lashes. Now for lipstick I am using Sugar Smudge Me Not Liquid Lipstick Wine and Shine. Then applying the same highlighter on the center. So this is the complete look. Please let me know how much you love this look by commenting down. If you love this video, then make sure you like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. So see you on next video. Till then stay safe, spread love. Bye bye.